Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia for creating explainer videos, step by step. Yeah, if you want to make professional, easy to follow content without recording yourself, this method is perfect because honestly, explainer videos are great for teaching, marketing, or onboarding, and Synthesia simplifies the whole process. So first, sign up or log in to your Synthesia account. Uh, Click Create Video and select an AI presenter that fits the tone of your explainer video. You can customize their appearance and voice for a more engaging presentation. Next, prepare your script. Yeah, break your content into clear, concise points, and Synthesia will convert your text into natural-sounding speech automatically, which saves time and ensures consistency across your video. After that, choose a template and background. Uh, you can use slides, diagrams, or stock images to visually support your explanations, making it easier for viewers to understand complex topics. Also, add captions, transitions, and subtle animations. Yeah, these elements make your video more engaging and help viewers follow along without getting lost, which is key for explainer content. And yeah, preview your video before finalizing. So
Hey
once
everyone,
satisfied, render
in this
and
video
download
I'll
it,
show you
ready to share on YouTube, social media, or your website to educate and engage your audience. Finally, experiment with different presenters, voices, and visual layouts. Most of the time, using Synthesia for explainer videos lets creators produce polished, professional content quickly, efficiently, and without needing a camera. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.